brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $35, $100, and even $5,000 using this one simple page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. So put your best email, your name, and your phone number optional, and hit this button. So if you want to start learning, this is where you want to be. You stick to the end and watch the video, okay? So this is my wife who had a car accident. She was hit by a car moving over 45 miles an hour on November 20th, 2024. So 17 months later, she's still struggling to learn how to even, take simple steps in a walker. That's how, if you actually go to her GoFundMe, give me a second. Felicia Mahone GoFundMe. So this is the mother's journey. Okay, you can actually see the actual what happened. Okay, read more, how much has been donated so far, and this is the actual steps of what happened to her, and what the whole story. Okay. So yeah, life is going to happen, and you need to be ready for it. And AI is coming for your job. So if you're not prepared, you're screwed. Period, point blank, okay? So, this is the High Ticket Lifestyle Review, Justin Temple's 100% Commission System Exposed. And why am I reading the actual article? It's a blog, and blogging is a very slept-on method on how to get the best quality traffic, okay? And I even have a way to get paid and rank much, much, much quicker. Instead of taking weeks, months, years, probably months or years of consistent posting, you could actually rank within days, okay? Days on Google, okay? And I'll show you proof again. Just stick with me, okay? So let's actually start with the proof, okay? Give me a second. So you can see that I'm actually, let's go to the ranking proof first. Okay. And again, I'm not making any claims. Okay, your success depends on your consistency, your hard work, and your ability to follow a system and stay consistent. Okay. So we're gonna actually check a video on Google. As you can see, I'm in incognito mode. So this is real ranking proof of a video that hasn't even launched yet. Okay, it was placed on YouTube. It's set to premiere. Okay, well look. This is day one. This is my another YouTube video. Okay, so 2 on number. Okay, actually the AI is actually recommending me. This is huge. Okay, it's actually recommending me, right? How many times have you seen that? So I got the top 3 things. The AI is actually ranking me. Okay, now how amazing is that? Okay. And as you see, it's set to release on May 9th. Okay. YouTube video. Okay. Part of a day 14 series. Yeah. So the AI is actually citing me. Okay. How amazing is that? So I got the top 2 results plus the AI. Okay. And so we're going to go on YouTube and see how we're ranking. There's the video set to premiere in 2 days. And look at here's the part 2. On the 11th. So it hasn't even launched yet. It's still 2 to 4 days away, 2 parts of the video. And I'm not only ranking 1 and 2 on Google on the first page, I'm ranking 1 and 2 on YouTube and being cited by AI. Okay? How amazing is that? So actually proof that the training that you'll get in this system will actually work. Okay. Not only that, but I have recurring bank transfers from my e-wallet. We'll click on one right here. Say $98.50 going straight to my bank account. Okay. Account Bank of America. 417. Let's go another one. Okay. April 9th. $126.50 going to my bank account. Right. Let's go April 2nd. $25 going straight to my bank account. Okay. Let's go to March 5th. $25 going straight to my bank account. Here's another one. $26.50 on April 23rd. And May 7th, $25. So as you can see, I am making money. You can trust me, okay? And this is recurring income. Now this isn't what I'm about to show you right now, but the other, everything's tied to HBA. Okay, so that's recurring income. These are high ticket one-off commissions. Okay, that can be life changing. So you take the residual and you take the passive high ticket commissions, and you have an amazing system. Okay, but you gotta stick to with me to the end. All right. So, the high ticket lifestyle review, the goddamnest truth. In the heart of Reno, I've watched the desert sun rise over a city filled with people trading their souls for a paycheck that barely covers the 15% inflation tax. My reality shifted forever on the morning of November 20th, 2044. My wife Felicia was leaving a night shift at Golden Gate Petroleum, and she was struck by a car while crossing the street, right in front of me, okay? The accident was catastrophic and left her with a fractured neck at the C2, C6, and C7 levels, plus a broken femur and brain hematoma. I visit when I can between the grind of building this engine and the weight of daily survival. Every second of recovery is a reminder that a 9-to-5 job is a cage that offers zero real security to your family. During those long nights that I'm by myself and she's by herself, I realize that if you do not own the land, you are just a sharecropper at the mercy of an algorithm. Okay, a renter, okay, basically. The Sovereign Engine is about building a fortress on own land like this blog so you can be there for your people when life hits the hardest. We were talking about the math of freedom versus the math of the damned. The system is about reclaiming the cracks of your time to build something that your family actually owns. You deserve a machine that works for you even when you have to step away from the screen to focus on what matters. Success here is not about luck, it's about mechanics and holding line for those you love. Now, why am I reading this blog? Because in 2026 and beyond, AI is smart, okay? Not only am I ranking, I showed you, okay? AI is suggesting me, okay? AI is listening for what you say, okay? They're listening and they're reading they're not only crawling for the words, they're also listening to what you say. So why don't you do one-time work, okay? Especially if your blog is powerful, okay? And say the words too, so you get double the impact. Okay, like a snowball going downhill. You want momentum, right? The high ticket lifestyle review, why rented land is a trap. Social media platforms, so basically it's a double-edged sword, like passive high ticket commissions and residual income. Social media platforms are a temporary loan. If you build your entire business on Facebook or TikTok, you are essentially a tenant. They can change the rules without a second of notice. They don't owe you anything, okay? Your blog and your email list are the only assets you truly control in the digital space. Every piece of content you create should be a bridge leading back to your fortress. The Sovereign Engine ensures that even if a social platform vanishes tomorrow, your business remains standing. We use the rented land to find the audience and move them to our own land, okay? Building on rock is for professionals who want to be here 10 years from now. By focusing on your own assets, you create equity that grows over time. This allows you to walk away from the grind. The bronze level is the high ticket lifestyle review bronze level business launchpad. The bronze level is the literal bedrock of the Sovereign Engine, your first line of defense against the rigged economy. At this stage, we are looking at the foundational blueprints for legal and financial sovereignty in the digital age. If you do not have a solid foundation from the skyscraper will not stand when the Reno winds start blowing against your business. We start here by protecting your family and the future through vocational training that the old guard doesn't want you to have. Okay? I want to show you something real quick. This is the difference of a traditional MLM, okay? Okay, high ticket versus traditional MLM. Sale volume requires hitting high monthly sales targets, 10K to maintain rank, which could mean hundreds of low ticket sales. Hundreds, potentially thousands, okay? Income speed, slower start, residual income builds over time through team growth. Heavy reliance on cold outreach, housing events, and constant follow-up to meet quotas. Can be physical goods or digital membership. Some programs have inventory requirements. Okay? Or the high ticket, where fewer sales need to hit big income. An example, 2 to 3 high ticket sales instead of 300 low ticket ones. Faster potential earnings because each sale generates more profit. Now I told you 100% commissions, okay? 100% commission system, brand new, okay? That's powerful. So would you like to make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 instant commissions to get you? So there's even a way to get your money back and get in profit. So if you join at this level, or this level, you get this level or this level, okay? You get an instant upgrade, okay, commission upgrade to the next level. That means you don't get the training, but you get the commissions. So you can start at 1500 and be qualified at the gold level. The silver level and above is the sweet spot. Especially this one right here, where 3500 is 233% income. Okay, you get 1500 plus an extra 2000 potentially. Okay, again, no promises. So you want to put your name, your best email, and more ways I've contacted you, the better. The more ways you have contacted me, the better. And you can be paid instant commissions. Nobody's holding up your income to whatever payment processor you want. Now I got like 8 different income ways to be paid. And I suggest the more, the better, right? You don't want to be tied down to just one source of income, right? Now the bronze level, high ticket lifestyle bronze level business launchpad. The bronze level is the literal bedrock of the sovereign engine, your first line of defense against a rigged economy. At this stage, we are looking at the foundational blueprints for legal and financial sovereignty in the digital age. If you do not have a solid foundation, the skyscraper will not stand when the renal bins. I already read this, okay. Now the high ticket lifestyle review your first 10K. The psychological barrier to making $10,000 a month is actually higher than the technical one. Most marketers fail because they do not have the mental capacity to handle the level of responsibility when it arrives. This training prepares your internal thermostat for that level of heat, so you do not self-sabotage when the money starts flowing to your accounts. It is tactical deep dive into the daily habits required to sustain 5-figure months. The high ticket lifestyle review Bitcoin Academy. We are moving to a decentralized world where the old guard banks like it. Whether the old guard banks like it or not. If you do not understand these modules, you're leaving your purchasing power at the mercy of institutions that actively devalue your hard work. The dollar has no value. It used to be based on gold, okay? It's not based on anything anymore. It's just zeros and ones on the computer, okay? And they have ways of manipulating the system that are crazy to you, okay? Fractional reserve banking, look it up. This is foundational education for the modern economy that allows you to move and store value without a minimum and taking a cut. By the time you finish this, you will understand why decentralization is the ultimate own land asset. The High Ticket Lifestyle Review Create LLC. This is a mechanical bridge that turns your marketing hustle into a professional enterprise recognized by the state. It provides a walkthrough for turning your efforts into a protected legal entity that separates you from the business. Okay, protects you in case somebody sues you. Okay. Holding down the fort for my wife Felicia means ensuring that if the business hits a snag, my personal assets are protected, just like yours will be. This is how professionals scale their business while keeping their family safe from legal and financial risk. Okay. In the next video, I will go over the silver and the gold level. Okay. But I want you to see, again, my wife got hit. Okay. I'm making commissions. I'll show you another one. That was what, March 12th? We'll go to 925. Okay, 650. Okay, these are all right straight to my bank account, 9850. This is a brand new thing that I did. Okay, I want to pause the video and I'll be right back. As you can see, yesterday, okay, I made a little over a day ago as I record this, right? Based on Eastern time, I sent Simple Freedom Warriors LLC $1,697. That's the $1,500 plus a reduced by $200 admin fee. So now I can make 100% commissions at $500, $1,500, $3,500, or eventually even $5,000 when I upgrade out of profit. Okay. But right now, for $1,500, I can make $500, $1,500, or $3,500 commissions. Again, you don't get the training on the $3,500 level, but you do get the commission upgrade if you take action, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm a real person. You can text me or leave a voicemail at 775-460-7938, okay? I am busy. In the cracks of my time, I work my business. I'm working. I'm visiting my wife. I'm living life, okay? But that's the amazing part of it. Automated system, okay? It works for you even when you're asleep, and you can get paid even when you're asleep. So you hit this yes, show me. I don't know why it's not working, but yeah, that's what you do, okay? Then you get to our page. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So watch this video and then click the button below and get started. 48 hours. get your upgrade. Peace!